So hello guys, welcome to yet another Revit structure session. So kindly like, subscribe and share with your mates to be able to motivate me. So in today's session, we shall look at adding a retaining wall and a retaining footing to it. So we can first set up our levels, then after we shall draw a topo surface, then after we shall put our retaining wall. So we could come to one of the elevations. We set up another level to work as a topo footing, so we could select create similar, create a 300 from here to here, and we can rename it as topo footing. So would like to rename corresponding views? Yes. So after we are done, we could go to our site plan to be able to draw our topo surface. So here in our site plan, we could select go to the massing site tab, then topo solid, create from sketch. We can be able to sketch our topo surface from here using the line tool. Could also put our slope arrow, put it from here to here. Then after we could be able to be done. So when we go to our 3D view, we could view, this is our site. So going back to our elevation. So our topo solid has been inserted here. So next we shall go to drawing a retaining wall around the topo solid. So let's go to our 3D view. Select the site. Try to look at the properties. The top constraint is level 1. Okay. So now going back to our level 1. We'll be able to draw a retaining wall around this edge. We're going to structure wall. Then we'll be able to select a basic retaining wall of concrete, 300 millimeter. So it's already here, so we can still edit type. So we could duplicate it. Call it retaining wall 400 millimeter. Okay. So we could edit the structure. Have a thickness of 400 millimeter. Okay. Then apply. Then okay. So we could come here and choose the pick lines option. Then we will go for the depth. And it would be connected to the topo footing. Then the wall should be finished face exterior. And we could be able to pick our lines. Ooh. I want it to be this side. This side. So we've now inserted our retaining wall. So we could go to our 3D view. So here it appears. So here you could select it. You could be able to drag these constraints, be able to move its location. You could also select this, drag it up to move its location. But the best way to edit its location is to select it, and you use the properties palette to set its constraints. So here our base constraint is already top of footing, then the top constraint should be up to level 1, and apply. It's up to, it's not applying. Base constraint, top constraint. Apply. So it's moving up to the other level, second level. Then we could come and choose it to be up to level 1. And apply. Could be able to shift it. Then after, we could edit the top offset here to 0. When we apply, it will go back to its initial level. Even here, the top offset should be back to 0. So after drawing these retaining walls, next we shall add the footings. So when we go to our top of footing level, we could come here to our wall and to select a concrete retaining footing. Actually, is this retaining footing? So we can put edit type, duplicate. So we could be able to change it to 1000 by 600 by 400. Then okay. So still could come here and change the length. So here it is heel length. We shall change it to 1000. Then the toe to 600. Then the thickness to 400. Then apply. Then okay. So here we shall use our, we'll select multiple. So when you select here, hit the tab key, select, then you can finish. Has been started here. First you could select this to add. Select this to add here. So going to a 3D view, we could see how it has been added. So this is how it is looking in our 3D view with our slab foundation edit. So if we create a section in our level 1, we can able to view how it looks. So you create a section from here to here. Just open the section. Yeah, so this is our retaining wall. At the door, our earth soil to be retained. So when you change the views from realistic, yeah, so that is how it looks. So that's it for now. Our next session we should look at drawing beams into our Revit model. Otherwise it's a bye for now.